Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of class 3, subject English Grammar. Today's thought: believe you can and you are halfway there. So the meaning of this thought is that you have to have confidence in yourself. When you are confident, confidence means you have to think, yes, I can. When you think, yes, you can, then definitely you will be successful. Never doubt on your abilities. Never have a doubt on yourself. Never think that will I be able to do it or not. Always think, yes, I will be able to do it. And half of the work is done. In today's video, I want to give you some instructions which you have to follow. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. Give the turns to everyone. Be careful with the tools. It can hurt your hands and legs. Do not interrupt. Do not speak in between while the others are speaking, especially your parents, your elders. Follow the rules like the traffic rules. And stand in a line. If you are standing in a group, stand in a queue. So today we will cover lesson 14, degrees of adjectives. I will continue with the explanation of the chapter which we had left in the previous video. From there we shall continue and we will solve some interesting worksheets of the same lesson, degrees of adjectives. We had already understood what are adjectives. We had already seen the 3 degrees of adjectives. So today we shall just continue from there. So in the previous video, we had started with degrees of adjectives and that we had seen 3 degrees are there: the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Then the positive degree is used when there is no comparison. When we are comparing nothing, we are just talking about one person, place or thing. The house is big. The boy is fast on his bicycle. The radio was loud. That girl is smart. Then comparative degree is used when you are comparing only 2 people, places or things. Her house is bigger than my house. The boy is fast on his bicycle, but I am faster. The radio was loud, but the TV was louder. Superlative degree is used when you are comparing more than 2 objects, people or places. His house is the biggest of all. The biggest house on the block was for sale. He was the fastest in the bicycle race. She was the smartest girl in the class. The slowest computer in the class belonged to Miss Brockway. Superman was the strongest and the fastest of all superheroes, but Spider-Man was the most flexible. Then we had started this exercise of comparatives. We had solved this page. Okay, right? I think we have already completed till here. Now we shall continue from here. So here what is given? My sister is dash than me. See, the sister is dash than me. So this is the sister and this is the girl. So is she more shorter or most short? So my sister is shorter than me. Short, shorter, shortest. Here 2 girls are compared. Only 2, so it is comparative. Grandpa is dash than dad. Old, older, oldest or more old, most old. What do we write? Older. Grandpa is older than dad. My house is dash than his. Smaller, more small or most small. So what's given over here? What do we write the answer? My house is smaller than his house. This movie is dash than the other one. Boringer, more boring, or most boring? More boring. It is okay. The road here is dash. Safer, more safe, or most safe? So answer is safer. The rabbit is dash than the turtle. So rabbit is dash than turtle. Two are compared, rabbit and turtle. Rabbit is faster than turtle. The knife is dash than the spoon. Dangerous, more dangerous, or most dangerous? What do we write? The knife is dash than the spoon. More dangerous. Again, two are compared, so we write more. Chris's bike is dash than yours. Cheaper, most cheap, or more cheap? So cheaper means not very costly. Anita's school is dash than Peter's. Gooder, more good, or better? What do we write over here? Better, because comparative degree is better. When we are comparing two things, we do not write gooder, we write better. Now today we will continue with choose the correct option exercise that is given over here. Let us see, read one by one. Do write the sentences and the answers in your notebook. It is hot day today, but it was dash yesterday. See, 2 days are compared, today and yesterday. We are doing comparison between two. So it is comparative. So what do we write? The hottest, hotter, or more hot? It is hot today, but it was hotter yesterday. What do we write? Hotter, because the 3 degrees are hot, hotter, and hottest. So here the answer is hotter. I got a bad mark, but Jane's mark was dash. So he got bad, but Jane got dash. Better, baddest, or worse? So what do we write over here? Worse. Bad, worse, and worst. Athens is dash than Rome. Two are compared. See, two cities, Athens and Rome is compared. So is it older, olderer, or more older? What do we write? Older. There is no word like olderer or more older. Olderer is wrong. Older is correct. Athens is older than Rome. Sydney is dash city in Australia. There are so many cities in Australia, but Sydney is dash. Here the city is compared with all other cities. It is superlative degree. The largest, largest, or larger? There are so many cities in Australia, but Sydney is the largest because we are comparing Sydney with all other cities. So we write the largest. Angel Falls are 15 times dash than Niagara Falls. Here again two are compared, Angel Falls and Niagara Falls. The highest, higher, or more higher? When two are compared, it is comparative degree, as I told you. Here two rivers are compared, so we write higher. Then Concorde travels dash than the speed of sound. Two are compared over here, so faster, the fastest, or more fast? Faster. Here the answer is faster. Dash cat in the world is only 7 centimeter tall. Dash cat in the world. So we are comparing the cats of the whole world. So many cats are compared over here. So what will be the answer? The shortest cat in the world is 7 centimeter tall. See, so small she is. Dogs are dash than lions. We are comparing two animals, dogs and lions. The friendliest, friendlier, or more friendly? Dogs are friendlier than lions. We are comparing two, dogs and lions. So we write friendlier. This car is dash in the saloon. The most expensive, expensivest, or more expensive. We are comparing this car with all the other cars. So we write the most expensive. This car is the most expensive in the salon. English is dash than German. English is dash than German. We are comparing two, English and German. Easier, easier or easiest. Which is the correct spelling of easier? E-A-S-I-E-R. Option B. Easier, because we are comparing two. So it is again a comparative degree. So we write easier. I can't do this test. It is dash the last one. Difficulter, the difficult or more difficult. We are comparing the test, the previous test and this test. So the answer will be more difficult. I cannot do this test. It is more difficult than the last one. So I cannot do this test because it is more difficult. We cannot write difficulter. This is the correct word. Difficult, more difficult and the most difficult. Jeremy is dash runner in our class. Jeremy is dash runner in our class. Faster, the fastest or most fast. See, Jeremy is the girl in the class. So there are so many girls in the class, right? This is superlative degree. So what is the superlative degree of fast? That is the fastest. Fast, faster and the fastest. Because this girl, Jeremy, is compared with all the other girls of her class. So we write the fastest. I have got dash room in our house. So the biggest or the bigger. See here, biggest, here it is single G, here it is double G. So there are so many rooms in the house. But my room is the biggest. What is the correct spelling? B-I-G-G-E-S-T. Biggest. B-I-G-G-E-S-T. The biggest. Because we are comparing this room with all the other rooms in the house. This is dash film I have ever seen. So I have seen so many films. And I am comparing the film with all the other films. Again it is superlative degree. The goodest, best or the best. What should be the answer? The best. Because we write good, better, best. Good, better, best. So here, next. A snail is dash than tortoise. We are comparing snail and tortoise. So a snail, the slower or more slow. We write the answer slower. A snail is slower than a tortoise. The Dead Sea is dash sea in the world. The Dead Sea is the dash sea in the world. The saltier, the saltiest or the saltiest. So we are comparing the Dead Sea with all the other seas of the world. So we are doing comparison between more than two. So many seas are there in the world. So we write the saltiest. Next, your bike is dash than mine. See, here I am comparing only two, your bike and my bike. So it is comparative degree. So what do we write? Cheaper. Your bike is cheaper than mine. That is dash joke I know. So I know so many jokes, but that joke is dash, the funniest or the funniest. Here the answer should be the funniest. F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T, funniest. Dash animal in the world is a frog from Colombia. Poisonous or the most poisonous. So here the answer should be the most poisonous. We are comparing that animal with all the other animals in the world. So here it is the superlative degree, the most poisonous. Then windsurfing. Windsurfing is dash than golf. We are comparing two sports, windsurfing and golf. Only two, so it is comparative degree. So answer, excitinger, more exciting or most exciting. So there is no such word as excitinger. It is more exciting. More and most exciting. So here more because we are comparing two. Greece is dash the equator than Denmark. Here again we are comparing two countries. So it is comparative degree. Nearer, near or nearest. Nearer. Comparative degree is nearer. Now choose the best options from what you have learned about the degrees of adjectives so far. MCQ we have. You have to select the correct option from the degrees of adjective that we have learned. Tom is feeling very dash. Now Tom is only one boy. We are talking about only one boy. So it is positive degree. What do we write for positive degree? Angry. So there is no comparison of Tom with anyone. I am just talking about one boy, Tom. Next, Nokia is a dash company. Nokia is a dash company. Good, better, best. So we are just talking about Nokia. Nokia is a good company. We are not comparing Nokia with any other companies. We are just talking about one company, that is Nokia. Next, Ahmad is dash than his brother. Ahmad is dash than his brother. Here we are comparing Ahmad and his brother. We are comparing two. Two boys we are comparing. So it is comparison between two. So what do we write? Fast, faster or fastest? You have to write faster. Comparison between two boys. Amongst the three brothers, Javd is the dash. See, there are three brothers, so more than two means, so we are writing superlative. Superlative degree, that is the tallest. What do we write? The tallest. We are doing comparison between three brothers, so the tallest. Next, she will leave dash than him. We are comparing she and him. We are comparing two, only two. So what do we write? We write comparative. Long, longest, longer or larger. So she will leave longer than him. We are comparing two. We are comparing two. A girl and a boy. Number 6. What about this lesson? Isn't it dash? So, what is the answer? Beautiful, beauteous or beauty? Isn't it beautiful? We are not comparing the lesson with any other lesson. So, what do we write? We just write beautiful. Next, the test was dash. Then I thought it would be, the test was dash. So, here we are comparing two things. What I thought and what actually the test is. Difficult, more difficult or most difficult. The test was more difficult than I thought it would be. Here also it is comparative degree. Number 8. He is the dash boy in his class. So we are comparing him with all other boys of his class. Isn't it superlative degree? Yes. So what do we write? Old, older or oldest? Yeah, the answer is oldest. He is the oldest boy in his class. This locality is dash than ours. We are comparing to this locality and our locality. Here comparison is done between two. Expensive, more expensive or most expensive. So the answer is more expensive. This locality is more expensive than ours. You are so dash. I am sure you can pick this up. So I am just talking about one person. Positive degree. Strong, weak, fat or thin. So you can pick this up. See, it is written, you can pick this up. So if you can pick this up means you are strong. You are so strong. I am sure you can pick this up. Because we are just talking about one boy and that boy is strong. Now we will continue with lesson 14, degrees of adjectives, explanation. Let me explain. See what's given. We add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. See, for example, positive, comparative, superlative, dull, duller, dullest. See, we are adding er and est. Here it is only one vowel sound, dull, u sound. So we add er and est, dull, duller, dullest. Positive, comparative, superlative. Next, adding est. It is just as easy to add est to these words. It is very easy, just you have to add est. See, cold, colder, coldest. Isn't it very easy to make the spelling? Short, shorter, shortest. Just adding est is very easy. Then see next, slow, slower, slowest. High, higher, highest. These are the words wherein you can add just est to the main word and you can make the superlative degree. See, this is comparative degree, this is superlative degree. This is comparative, this is superlative. Again, this is comparative and superlative. So, wherever you add est, it becomes superlative degree. When the positive ends in e and we add only r and st to the adjectives, see, positive, comparative, superlative, where already e is given, you will not add one more e. Large, larger, largest. See, here already e was given, so we add r and st. We do not add er or est. Just adding r and just adding st. Large, larger, largest. See the examples. Adding est, it is just easy to add est to the words ending with e. You can just make the spellings very easily. Over here see cute, cuter, cutest, cute, cuter, cutest. Here already e is given, you have to add r. Here you have to add st. Here r is already given, you just add st. Becomes cute, cuter, cutest. And see, large, larger, largest. Here also you just have to add est and you can make the word. Here you can add est and you can make cutest. Here you can add est and you can make largest. Then nice, nicer, nicest, nice, nicer, nicest. So you should write these examples in your notebook. Cute, cuter, cutest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Large, larger, largest. When the positive ends in consonant plus y, we drop the y and we add ier and iest. So whenever y is given, what do? You have to remove y and you have to add ier and iest. See, positive degree, lucky. Here y is given, right? Here y is given, so you have to remove y and you have to add ier, luckier, and you have to add iest, luckiest. So, lucky, see the y is given, remove y and add ier, it becomes luckier, and superlative becomes luckiest, lucky, luckier, luckiest. Adding est, it is just as easy to add est in these words. Just remove y and add est. See, happy, remove y and add ier. It becomes happier, happy, happier, happiest, happy, happier, happiest. Adding ier and adding iest. Happy, happier, happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Then see the second word, silly. silly, silly, sillier, silliest, silly, sillier, silliest. Just y is given, you add ier and iest, it becomes sillier and silliest. Then second is given, easy, easier, easiest. Adding IER and adding IEST. Easy, easier, easiest. When the positive is the word of one syllable that ends with vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. See, there is a vowel, red. So we have to double the last word. What is the last alphabet? D. So we double it. It becomes redder. And here also it becomes reddest. We have to double the last alphabet. Last alphabet is D. So double it. Redder. And here double it. Reddest. Red, redder, reddest. When you see vowel plus consonant, see here it is vowel. E is a vowel and D is a consonant. So it is vowel plus consonant. So at that time you will double the last alphabet. Red, redder, reddest. Right? Then see over here. It is just very easy to write the answers for this. Fat. You have to just double the last word. What is the last alphabet? T. So it becomes fatter and fattest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Just double the last alphabet. Hot, hotter, hottest. Double the last one, T. So it becomes double T. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, and thinnest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Here you see there is vowel plus consonant. Here also vowel plus consonant. Here also vowel and consonant. So you have to double the last alphabet and you have to make comparative degree and superlative degree. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. So today we understood how to make the positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Next we will continue in the upcoming video, and I hope you have enjoyed and you have understood the concept of positive, comparative and superlative degree. Write all the examples which I have taught during the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.